Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flee battles in Expedition 33. In the world map of Expedition 33, you will come across a lot of enemies along your way, and you can initiate fights with them if you choose. But in my experience, these enemies don't always come with a warning that they can easily beat your entire expedition. So it might come across as an entire massacre for your team. Thankfully, you can spare yourself from the humiliation by initiating a flee command with your expedition. But do keep in mind that it does not happen immediately. You have to make sure that all the other expeditioners do the action as well, for them to completely leave the fight. However, there is a condition for being able to flee, in that the fight has to be with minor enemies. If there are any bosses present in the fight, then the option for fleeing won't appear on the bottom left, forcing you to do the full fight. That's why you always have to be prepared with fights even if you're not expecting them. And that's how to flee battles in Expedition 33.